Hello all, it's Monday and it's a recipe day. This is mushroom. But no, today I'm not going to share any recipe, but I'm going to show you how to clean the mushroom. Maybe you all know, but I am giving you a detour so you can see how to clean the mushroom. So whenever you are getting mushroom, it will be like this, and I'm showing you the easiest hack which I always follow. How to clean the mushroom. One of my friend told me that you have to coat it with maida or atta, any kind of flour. Just rub it dry and then wash it with water, so you can see the impurity, the black portions that will come out. Actually it is true, you can see like this black, and this is coming out. So I will wash it and then I will start the cooking process. Now you can see these are clean, but another thing I always do, just this is what I do, remove the outer skin. So that is optional, but I prefer to do this so that there won't be any allergy or nothing like that. So I always remove the skin. So you can remove it when it's raw, or when you are just blanching it. After that also you can remove that. So I will show you that process also, so that will be easier if you are handling for the first time. But other than that, it's very easy. So once you soak it, so all the impurity or the black spots, everything is gone. So see, this is clear, skin on and skin off. Mushrooms are clean and cut properly, so just follow Madhurima's kitchen so that you can get the mushroom recipes. Thank you for watching.